Morning everybody. As you can see, it's a beautiful day today. So we didn't do much more filming yesterday. It rained, continued to rain. So we're out again today. And we're going for a walk. Going to another campsite, but not quite what you think. So it might be up that hill up there. So we're trying to find our way out and do a little explore. Everybody's out and about, so busy today. And it's the last day of the Malvern Motorhome Campervan show. This area where we got some of the great big American RVs with their slide outs. Massive great things. Oh, it's like a coach over there. Enormous. Top end of the showground, and biggest welly I've ever seen. Western's just one welly. I'm going to head out this gate, but there are more and more camper vans. I'm heading up this hill. Oh, I don't know how steep it is, pretty steep. Even the e-bike people ahead of me have stopped. Perhaps they ran out of batteries. But a nice looking little church over here. Look at that. Oh. That's cute. I like that a lot. Nice. So let's head up some more of this hill. The Witchy Way. It's pointing down. Oops. So that's where I've come up. And there's a road here and a road there, and it looks like there's a path going there and up there. Well, we want to go up, so let's have a wander up there. I think I might be going the right way here. What a view. Through the trees there we can just see all the vans. Hopefully we can get a bit higher. Not far from the top. It's been all uphill. Okay, turn left. Nearly at the top. There's about 3 miles uphill. That's a good workout. And I'm at what they call Black Hill. It's probably going to be too windy here, but Black Hill's just up here. Amongst the Malvern Hills, so I'll give you a good view of where we are. Here we are, it's a map of the local area cared for by the Malvern Hills Trust. So, campsite's up here somewhere. So I walked up here, through here, somehow up to Black Hill. There we go. And we come down to the car park. Black Hill car park. We've got to walk down to British Camp car park, then up to hit this area, which is British Camp, Herefordshire, Beacon and Millennium Hill. So it's kind of a wander. That's where we were, the middle, Black Hill, Pinnacle Hill off to the left, which I might do on the way back. But we're heading up to this way, into the woods, to get to British Camp. Let's go. Here we are in the British Camp car parks where we're going. Iron Age Hill Fort, constructed between 700 BC and 200 BC. Lots of banks and ditches. So let's go have a wander up this hill. That's where it was, right in the middle. That was Black Hill. So come all the way down from there. Done 4 miles to get to here. This is looking out to the west, Malvern Hills, which is that ridge you saw back there. And now it's all earthworks. Heading up to this Iron Age Hill Fort on the top of here, which is called British Camp. So built around 2,500 years ago, plus or minus 300 years. So let's go and scale some earthworks, I think. That's the earthworks here, with the camp right on the top. Generally Iron Age hill forts were built in prominent positions, so you could see any marauding neighbouring tribes that would want to come and steal your grain, your land. Earthworks were a defence, so man-made, lots of banks, ditches, and generally one entrance or maybe 2 entrances. That was the only way in. And then inside the camp, inside the middle, you had your Neolithic huts, your farm animals. This is certainly in a prominent position. Here we are, we made it to the top of British Camp, this Iron Age hill fort. 4¼ miles to get here. This is all downhill on the way back. This is like being on top of the world. I'll let you have a look. So one last view. I've had a sit down. So 4.5 miles to get back. Somewhere down there. Oh, there we are. They're the vans all lit up in the middle of the picture. So uphill, down dale, off we go. Good day, isn't it? Yeah? Grass tasty around here? Good. Have a good day then.